To service or replace the bypass poppet on your Pro Series pump, turn the pump off and disconnect the pump from power. Using a pipe wrench, remove the bypass plug, spring, and bypass poppet from the pump. Inspect the O-ring for damage or wear. A worn O-ring should be replaced. Replacement parts can be ordered through our website by scanning the QR code on the side of your pump with your smartphone. If poppet components contain debris, wipe them with a clean cloth. Before reinserting the bypass components, remove the O-ring from the bypass plug and coat the O-ring lightly with grease. Then reinstall the bypass poppet, spring, and plug into the pump.